Hello, welcome to my channel. I will excel channel, the mathematics teacher. Thank you for being around again on a new edition of my teaching. Parents, I appreciate. Boys and girls, thank you very much for liking, sharing my video. Today we are on a new topic. We are still on our fraction. The other day we had a game on our mathematics to know how we can do some calculations very fast. And we are back to our topic of the series of a fraction. Please watch and don't make mistake. Can we get to the class? Thank you. Okay, today we are going to see multiplication and division of fraction on a rule. So, starting from number 1, 2 over 7 times 1 over 2. How do we do it? When you see this type of work, you look for what to divide up and divide down. We don't divide like this. We don't say this divide this or this divide this. Instead, we look for what to divide up and divide down. What to divide up and divide down, or divide like this, or we divide like this, or we divide like this. So when I look at this sum, nothing can divide up or divide down. 2 cannot divide anything down. 5 cannot divide anything up. 7 cannot divide anything up. So I leave it. If nothing can divide, you multiply out. 2 times 1 give us 2. 7 times 5 give us 35. 35. And that's the answer. Unless you can reduce it to its lowest term, or they are an improper fraction, you will do it to mixed fraction. But when you just multiply, the result you get is the answer. That is for number 1 example. So number 2 example, whole number multiplying mixed number. Okay, when you get at this point, you change the mixed fraction to improper fraction first. Two times 1, 2 plus 1, 3. 3 over 2. Good. I have changed it, and now I'm going to look for what to divide up or divide down. Look at it now. 2 can divide 20. Good. So I used to. 2 divide itself. 1 divide 2. 1. So what do I have? 10 times 3 will give us 30 over 1. And any number over 1 is that number. So the answer for this second one is 30. Good. Let's get to the third. Mixed fraction multiplying mixed fraction. You change them to improper fraction. 2 times 12 will give you 24. 24 plus 1 will give you 25. 25 over 2 times 5 times 3 will give you 15. 15 plus 3 will give you 18. 18 over 5. Good. You can see it now. You look for what will divide up and divide down, or dividing this way, or dividing this way, or dividing this way, or dividing this way. You don't divide this way. Okay? So when I look at it now, I saw 2. Yes. 2 cannot divide 25, but 2 can divide 18. So 2 divide itself 1, dividing 18 will give us 9. Okay. 5 cannot divide 9, but 5 can divide 25. So I say 5 divide itself 1, 5 divide this will give me 5. So at the end, I saw 5 times 9. 5 times what? 5 times 9. And that will give me 45 over 1. And any number over 1 is that number. Can you see the answer on the multiplications? This is how to get the multiplications of a fraction. Okay, looking at multiplication now, let's look at division. This is multiplication. This is division. Note it. This is multiplication. This is a division. They are not the same. They are not the same. You don't find the LCM in this situation. Because I've met a lot of children, I've been with so many of them. And when they get to this thing, they will start finding LCM. You don't find the LCM in multiplication and division. So let's get to division. Okay. A number standing alone is over 1. Divide by 2 over 3. Okay. This division must be changed to multiplication. And before you change it to multiplication, there is something you do to the next fraction, not this first one. The following fraction, you do something to it for you to change it to multiplication. So we have 5 over 1. You put multiplication sign. And when immediately you put multiplication sign, you turn this one 3 over 2. You must turn this. Immediately you change it to multiplication, you must turn the fraction following. So when you turn the fraction following, you can now look for what to divide up and divide down. And when you look at it, nothing can divide up and divide down. So I multiply out. 5 times 3 will give me 15. 1 times 2 will give me 2. Can you see? It is improper. And you don't leave your answer in improper fraction. So you say 2, how many 2 can we get in? 15. We can get 7. Remainder 1. So the answer is what? 7 whole number 1 over 2. Good. Look at this one. You change it to improper fraction first. 4 times 2, 8. 8 plus 1, 9 over 4. Divide by 8 times 3, 24. 24 plus 3, 24, 25, 27. 27 over 8. Good. Then you change the division sign to multiplication and turn the next fraction. Okay? 9 over 4 times, you turn this 8 over 27. At this point, you look for what to divide up and divide down. Look at it now. 4 can divide itself, can divide 8. So let's divide it. Good. Okay, 2 cannot divide 27. Then look at 9. 9 can divide itself and can divide 27. So let's use it. Good. So what do we have left? We have 2 over 3. 2 over 3. That's the answer. That's the answer. Simple. Look at this one. This one, when some children see this type of one, they will say, I don't know what to do. This one is not difficult. You do the up one. This line is division. It's still division. So you solve this one and get the answer and use the answer to solve the down one. So let's start. 9 times 3 will give us 27 plus 1. 28 over 9. Divide by 6 times 1, 6 plus 1, 7 over 6. And when you have done it, you change to multiplication. So we have 28 over 9 times 6 over 7. You turn it. So what will divide up and divide down? What will divide up and divide down? So let's see. 3 here, 2. 3 here, 3. Good. 3 here is 2. 3 here is 3. 7 divide 28 is 4. 7, 1, 7, 4. Good. What do we have at last? 4 times 2. We have 8 over 3. The answer for the up one is 8 over 3. So you use that 8 over 3. 8 over 3 divide by this down one. You have gotten the answer for this. You use your result to divide the down one. 24 times 1 is 24. Then 24 plus 16 will give you 0. 6 plus this will give you 10. Will give you 40. Good. Will give you what? 40. 40 over 24, because the denominator always remain the same. So looking at it now, we are going to turn. We are going to change the division sign to multiplication sign and turn the next fraction. So what do? 8 over 3 times, you turn it, 24 over 40. And you look for what to divide up and divide down. See, 3 can divide itself, okay, and 3 can divide 24. So let's use it. 3, 1, 3, 8. Good, good, good. Let's see another one. 8 can divide itself and it can divide 40. So let's use it. 8, 1, 8, 5. And what do we have? 8 over 5. And that is improper fraction. You don't leave your answer like that. It's improper fraction. You don't leave your answer in improper fraction. You change it to mixed fraction. See? How many 5 can we get in 8? 1. 1. Remainder what? 3. Remainder 3. The denominator remains the same. That is the answer for the last one. See? What a simple sum. When you watch it very well, this one is multiplication, this one is a division. They look alike, but we don't work with division. We change division to multiplication and turn the next fraction. We change division to multiplication and turn the next fraction before we start looking for what to divide up and divide down. You don't look for LCM in this fraction, but you can look for LCM in addition and subtraction. You don't look for LCM here. Can we see it and note it very well and never fail it? Hello, boys and girls. We are moving on with our fraction, and that brings us to the end of multiplication and division of a fraction. Hope you'll never fail it when you get to your classes. And those of you that dread mathematics, how do you see it? So simple. Share it, subscribe it, play it again and again and again. You see, you will master it. If you play the first one you don't understand, you play it again and again. You master it. Share it with your friends. Call your friends around. Let them see what is happening. That mathematics is very easy. Those of you that dread mathematics, join me in my train as we move along. Thank you for subscribing, sharing, and liking my video. Thank you, parents, for allowing your children to come very close and get the best result in their mathematics class. Thank you very much. Still remember, I will excel, the mathematics teacher. Bye-bye.